Today we are going to be doing a squishy skit. This is a surprise collab with Sushi Gari, even though she didn't change her channel with Sushi Gari because she didn't change her channel, and yeah. And she didn't change her channel, but I just wanted to do a collab because she calls herself Sushi Gari. And also, I just wanted to do a surprise collab so she doesn't even know that I'm collabing with her. So, this is a squishy skit. And also, this is a squishy package skit video. Click that subscribe button down below. You cannot miss it, guys. Like, if you guys miss it and you're signed in, I will be so mad. Like, if you guys like squishies, toys, click that subscribe button. Now, without further ado, let's get started with the freaking video. Hey guys, it's Genie from the Genie Show. And I just got a package from Sushi Gari, and it's obviously not in a plastic bag. So when I bought this, I was excited. And let's open the Sushi Gari package. So the first thing I see is this toast. And it's obviously a toast. And it's slow rising, as you can see. It's not licensed or anything. And Sushi Gari had this for $18, which is a great price for a non-licensed squishy. And it's very slow rising, as you could see. And again, it's not licensed because it's a common squishy. Okay, I just had to check on my camera. And this is another unlicensed squishy, but it's a strawberry. I don't know if it's a replica of anything. This was $4.59, and it's so slow rising. Oh my gosh, this is so defected. It's a blue cake, and I think it's a replica of the salmon cake, but it's way more soft. Oh my gosh, it's so squishy, but so defected. It was only $5.59, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah. So we have a blue cream puff. And yeah, it's pretty squishy. And it's very slow rising. Whoa. I think I was too close. Yeah. I'm going to squish it again. Another strawberry. I bought this for a giveaway. Yeah, I'm obviously giving away this. And it's a rainbow strawberry, and I'm obviously giving this away. So I'm glad Sushi Gari sent me an awesome duplicate. Sushi Gari, you are the best. Oh, this is an extra. A green ladybug melon bun. It's so soft. And slow rising. Again, no licensing. It's not a replica of anything, but it's just slow rising. Yeah, and if you're wondering why these are all non-licensed, because this bag is full of under $15 squishies. It just happens. It's very squishy. I'm gonna put it back in the bag because, oh yeah, and it's a keychain. Bag did get crinkled, but whatever. A green sprinkle donut. The back is so textured.